How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Circle Carbine 14 work lights. So we offer these units in our Floodlight optics or our hybrid optics, and you'll see that you get your included mounting bracket here that I went ahead and pre-attached, and then your cables here going to your positive and negative connections. And then on both of these units, you will have 14 3-watt LEDs pushing 3080 lumens. So let's go ahead and turn these units on and go over the optics. So here is our floodlight unit where you'll have all floodlight optics, giving you that wide spread off of your work light. And here is our hybrid unit where you'll have floodlight optics on the outside of your unit, and then you'll have the spotlight optics with the more focused beam on the inside of your work light. When it comes to wiring your Carbine, we offer our optional on-off switch here, which is a standard on-off toggle switch, or we offer our wireless relay here. And with our wireless relay, you'll also get your on-off switch, and then you'll get your wireless remote. Now with your wireless remote, you have your on-off buttons here, and then you do have a couple flash patterns you can activate off of your wireless remote switch here. So that covers our Circle Carbine 14 work lights. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.